Alright, going inside. There's the dining. The living area. The carpet looks really clean. There's a big cat. Beautiful views of the mountains. There's a kitchen area. Really nice sized pantry. Here's a hall. Another good sized storage here. Good sized bath. Shower. This looks to be the master. Some really nice views from the master too, with a set of French doors. It's got 2 closets. Nice size laundry area. Enough room for a table to fold. It's got a little back deck to this side too. So to the left side of the house, here's a small bedroom here. This appears to be a little office. Okay, maybe this is the master. It is bigger than the other. It looks like it could have almost 2 masters on both sides of the house. It's got a walk-in shower, private toilets, garden tub, 2 double sinks, large walk-in closet, plenty of room. Let's see. And a nice closet here. Views on this side of the house too from the covered deck. Another hall closet. Alright, we're going to go check out the views on the deck. Beautiful. It's really a nice back deck. The views are amazing. I don't know if you can see too good. It's so bright out here this morning. They've got a smoker, old fridge out here. Alright, we're going to head downstairs. Oven there. Oh my goodness, a wonderful sized basement. It's all open down here. The cabinets, They look like they have been painted over a little there. Beautiful views from the basement terrace level. Beautiful. Here is the gravel drive, so guests could pull down that area and park. It looks to me that this concrete has been stained or painted here, so it's good. It would be easily cleaned. They've got music playing on the TVs. Very nice. Here's a nice size room. Let's see what's in here. Nice size garage. Here is a large bath down here. Big walk-in shower. Nice size closets. Looks like they've got a cat with a litter box there. Another one. Oh, there's a cat hiding. Let's see. Here's another nice storage. Looks under the stairs there. You can store lots of stuff. Another good sized bedroom. You can see the views from this bedroom as well. Really good sized closet in here too. I'm going to look in this garage again just to make sure. I think you could even put a dining table here too. And here is the garage. Plenty of room in here too. Nice hot water heater. Looks to be brand new. Really a nice setup. Two large power boxes too. Okay, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.